This answer is powered by AskQuesty.com. Get help with your Squarespace questions or tasks on demand.
In this video, we'll be looking at how to add a chat program to your Squarespace site. So here we have a Squarespace site and we've added the live chat button here. So when users visit the site and if they go on any other page of the site, they'll get that live chat button in the bottom corner here where they can click on it and kind of send you a message. Right. So I'm recommending the program Talk, which is this one is based off of spelled TAWK, because it's like a really cool program in that once you're logged in and online, and the person sends you a message, you get it right away. There's no issues with it. It's a free plugin. There's a desktop version of it. There's a version of it you can actually install on your phone, and it works really nicely. So I'll show you how to get that installed. Here we have a duplicate site where we don't have that chat plugin installed, and I'll show you how to get that done. So the first thing you're going to do is to go over to the Talk website, TAWK.to, talk.to, and what we're going to do is to sign up for an account with them. So we're going to click sign up free. And unfortunately, they don't have a plugin that works directly with Squarespace, but we're going to be able to set it up so it'll work really nicely. All right, so I'm going to just sign out of this account so you can see from the start what you need to do. So once you go on talk.to, you should get this page. And what we're going to do is click create free account. And you're just going to give your name and your email address and your password and click sign up for free. Let's see, so we select our language, we click create property. We're going to enter the site name. So my site name is, I'm just going to put my site name and enter the URL for your site. So you're going to go over to your website and you're going to copy the URL and you're just going to paste it here. So anything that shows after the .com, like this, or sometimes you might see config if you're in the config section of your site, you might see that. You're just going to delete that. We just want the straight URL. And we're going to click next team members, and it already has your account set up as admin. So unless you want to add another user who has access to respond to your chat messages, you can pretty much just skip this and go to next install widget. And here we have the JavaScript code that's going to link the chat program to your site. So once you hover over this comes up, copy to clipboard, you're going to click on that, and that's going to copy it. And then go over to the site where you want it installed and go into the backend. Go down to settings. Next, go down to advanced. And we're going to click on code injection right here. And we're going to add our JavaScript code for the chat plugin into the footer section. And by adding it here, it means it's going to show up on each page of the site. So I'm just going to hit Ctrl-V to paste it and hit save. So now when we expand the site again, we're going to see that chat plugin. If we go on any other page, again, it's going to be there in the bottom right corner. And you can actually customize this button a fair bit on the chat plugin. So once you hit done, you can actually take this tour and it'll show you all those options. But I'll just click this no thanks button. And I'm just going to test it out just to show you guys how that works. So someone comes to the site, you can actually customize this welcome message or take it off completely. And Once they send a message on your end, you're going to get that notification once you're logged in, and you're going to see it here as well. So you can just kind of join the chat and talk to this visitor to your site. And what I like about this program as well is that if you're not logged in and someone actually visits your site, so I'm just going to go back to the home page. Right, if you're not logged in, they'll actually instead, well, usually they'll get a message saying that we're not available, but that probably hasn't refreshed yet. And they can actually send you an email instead of the live chat. All right, so that's pretty much how it's done.
Was this helpful? Ask a Squarespace question now. AskQuesty.com.